Have you ever thought about leaving the UK? You're not alone. Every year, thousands of Britons make a radical decision to leave the country they were born in and settle elsewhere, sometimes for good. And contrary to what some might think, it's not always about sunshine or an extended holiday. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 fundamental reasons, all based on facts, that explain why more and more British citizens are turning their backs on the UK. You'll see that behind every departure, there's a logic, a social, economic, or personal reality. It's not an escape. It's often a strategy for survival or reinvention. 1. Brexit. The turning point for many Brexit was a major shift. Before 2016, British citizens could live, work, or study freely in 27 European countries. It was taken for granted. But with the UK leaving the EU, that freedom vanished. Today, living in Berlin, Paris, or Barcelona requires long, costly, and often discouraging procedures. Many young people, graduates, or entrepreneurs feel out of place in a country that's turned inward. For them, leaving the UK is about reconnecting with the world. 2. Cost of living. A daily pressure. Everyone feels the sting of inflation, but in the UK, the cost of living has become unbearable for much of the population. Rents are skyrocketing, energy prices are through the roof, and grocery shopping is becoming a luxury. In London, some spend more than 60% of their salary just on housing. And it's not just big cities. Families everywhere are being forced to choose, heat or eat, work more to earn less. So some choose a more radical solution. They leave. 3. The NHS in crisis, a system under strain. The National Health Service, a pillar of British identity, can no longer cope. Millions of people wait months for surgery, weeks for a basic appointment. Healthcare workers are understaffed, underpaid, and burnt out. And the patients? They wait, they suffer, or they look elsewhere. More and more Britons are turning abroad for faster, more accessible, and even free care in some European countries. Leaving becomes a matter of necessity. 4. Fewer professional opportunities. A shrinking market. Brexit didn't just affect mobility. It hit the economy and the job market too. Many companies moved their headquarters to the EU. Entire industries, finance, research, tech, culture, are losing appeal. Young graduates aren't waiting around. They're looking for opportunities in Amsterdam, Berlin, even Montreal. They're not avoiding work. They're avoiding the lack of prospects. 5. Political instability. A loss of confidence. For years now, the UK has been rocked by political crises. Prime ministers come and go. Scandals pile up, strikes are frequent, and public debate grows increasingly polarized. For many, the country feels unpredictable. And political instability fuels personal uncertainty. Fears about the future, education, retirement, safety. So, some take the lead. They head to countries where the government seems more stable, trustworthy, transparent. So, why are Britons leaving their country? Not out of weakness, not on a whim, but because they want more. More freedom, more balance, more opportunity. And sometimes, just a bit of peace. Maybe one day they'll return. But today, they're leaving. To find themselves. And you? What would you do in their place?